So, first off, what I want to do is get this nail out of the way so we can just hammer it down. Second, let's dry fit our box vent so that we can make sure okay, cool. So one thing that I do notice is that we're gonna need to trim back some shingles because again, I don't like to leave the shingles right up against the box vent because then that is susceptible to a leak. So after we get it all hammered down and stuff, then we'll go ahead and cut the shingles. And then after that, we're just gonna caulk it up and get the heck out of here. Should be good to go. Cause yeah, they did that on that one, but they didn't leave the sides because you always want the sides at least a little gap, yeah, right? 1/4 inch or so. So then the water can run away. Cause a lot of times they put the shingles right up against the box vent. Well, then all that water is running into the vent, like right here. Doesn't make sense. Logic. And it is hot in their attic, holy cow. Okay, so. There you go, hold that in. Oops. Get some new gloves, Marvin, or?
Yeah, okay, man.
Nice. So then, yeah, I like to have a clean surface here when we install our caulking so that it stays and just smears well, so. Yeah. Oops. So this is kind of a double protectant layer. So we'll do it like this, and then also on the back side of the box vent here, we're gonna do a circle all the way around. Dang, tell me to do that again because that was a solid circle.
Do that again.
Yeah.
That wasn't in frame. Like legitimately wasn't in frame.
What? And we would essentially need to, thank you very much. You're all right, good job. See if I can't move that up there. Oops. I don't know why I can cut that. There we go, okay. So we'll leave it even a little further down there, okay. So, and that helps kind of make it stick. Make sure it's straight here. Like that. It's over the hole. Usually I don't like when they put it in between the rafters. A lot of contractors do it because they think it's gonna ventilate both sides. It will, it's still not gonna be as effective because the rafter is gonna be better when it's just in an open spot, because then there's
3/4 worth of.
Yeah, there's just nothing to obstruct the airflow there. So, okay. Again, I got some nails here. We'll just use these.
I put a drip edge on EPDM. I cocked underneath the metal tube.
What do you mean? Oh, like on the actual rake edge? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So just to keep it where it's at and supported, we will put 3 nails up front first so that it doesn't move.
What about this? Is that got to be covered?
No, not really. That can be exposed. That's just the part that keeps this connected. So, and we caulked obviously up and around, and we will try to throw a bead right there as well. So, good thinking though, Marvin. Cool. Put one more. Made a little scratch on it, that's why we got the paint, no big deal. Okay, and then let me cut the shingles first, and then we will go ahead. So we're just gonna do a little one here. Oops, there we go. That's all right, you can let them fall. Try to be as straight as you can. There we go. Trash. Yep. Okay. Yeah, if you could hold that. Oh, there we go. There we go. Cool. Come on, B. Here you go. All right, now we will install nails there. Good job, thank you. And really, we'll do, so we need to install it on the actual vent. So if you could lift this,
one up too.
yeah, pull that one up too. And then I usually like to do 3 on the or 3 on the bottom, 3 on the side, including this nail here. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. And usually, if you have better access, you can throw it up there, but they should have done it when before they installed the ridge vent or the ridge there. So I think we're gonna try to get up as high as we can on that one. Actually, never mind. Yeah, we're not gonna make. Can you hold this one here? There you go. So we're kind of triple covering our butts here. That way, in a sense, we're just doing make sure everything's sealed up correctly. Always want to leave bead of caulk where you broke the sealant line at. There we go. So all this right here needs to be sealed up. Right, this as well. So if this is done right the first time, it won't leak. Does that make sense? Because how many times did we just caulk it? We literally caulked it around on the decking, around on the box vent, around right here, and then we resealed all this. This bad boy leaks, it is with the manufacturer. It is not from us. I'd be very surprised if it came from us. Unless it's like wind driven, but even then. Oh, and we sealed up here. So, I mean, really covered our butts on this one. Should be no issues on our end. And that is the finished product. Booyah.